shoulder. That's it. Nice. There. Yeah, come on in on this. There we go. Yep. Sweet. Good. That's it. That's it. That's it. Very nice. So turn the camera. Is it worth getting ABC as a different technique?
Yes, 100%.
What would you say has been the biggest improvement? The lower back?
Yeah,
Posture?
I haven't had the back pain. Honestly, if I had back pain, it was because I did Jiu Jitsu too hard or I was lifting improperly.
Yeah.
But it doesn't last very long. And I feel like that could be because of the ABC.
Sure.
You know? I mean, it has to be. But...
Yeah, I would hope so.
Yeah.
So, good.
Yeah,
so if
it's
you guys
great.
are interested in the difference of ABC, give me a call.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Worth it.